That train's for sale if you want to buy it. Have you seen it? That green one there, it's for sale. Is that one?
Is it?
Yeah, it's cute.
Hi Barbie.
If you want to buy something nice and expensive, it's for sale. Yeah. See, I told you I'd do trains as well.
We've got to do the Barbie up and down on that.
Mind your head over here, guys.
Oh, definitely. White Scar Caves. Have you seen my blog from White Scar Caves? I walk into one of the bits of rock so hard, it's unbelievable. Hey, get off my train, I'm putting a bid in for that. Hey. It's my train. We've got 20,000.
If I had 20,000, I wouldn't be buying a train.
Howard? What more do you want than a train? Forget about having a nice fancy car or a kitchen. Forget about that.
Buy a jet star and
Oh yeah, get a roller coaster.
come on, you know you can.
Do you want to know how to start a theme park?
Oh.
Just get a really good foam carver and make loads of things like that, and that's how you, and a nice bit of gardens, and people will come and pay to see it. Get a really good foam carver and just have really nice theming and just have it around a garden. That's the best way to probably start, the cheapest way to start a theme park. My goodness. These steps are worse than the other ones, aren't they? Oh my goodness. And we're getting the gusty wind as well. Oh my goodness. Hours of fun up here. Oh my goodness me. Oh, look at this cable. Oh, look at the cable launch. Oh my goodness. Oh. Forget Rita, this is what you need, isn't it? Oh my goodness me! Look at it wobbling! Look at it wobbling!
Stop it!
It's wobbling, it's not me, I'm not doing nothing, it's just wobbling. Oh man. Oh, this is brilliant, isn't it? He needs to go on rides when he's doing this is like going on the Noah's Ark again, isn't it? Ah, Noah's Ark again. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Yeah, I love this. Noah's Ark experience again.
It certainly is.
Wow.
Brings back memories.
Oh, it does do, huh?
Brings back memories.
Wow. This is classic.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, feel it wobbling. Look at everybody wobbling. You can tell everybody's been on a ferry across the Disneyland Paris here.
Right, guys. Just gonna take them down.
It's not that wobbly. It's on one leg. Oh my goodness, look at that gap.
Don't drop your phone, Lee. Do not.
Oh, don't go down too far.
It doesn't go down that far. That's all right. Yeah. This is.
Oh, it's lovely up here. It's well good, isn't it?
Such a shame that the weather's bad.
It's better than weather being bad because it's wobbling.
Oh, great.
Last ride of the day.
Yeah, and then take it.
Oh, you love me. Look at the little buffers which stop you. If it launches a bit too fast, you've got them little buffers to stop you. Oh, they're quaint. Oh, it's really wobbly now. Whoa! Woohoo!
Whee!
Wobbly! Oh my god. Even I'm stopping, Tigger. Even I'm stopping. It is wow. Yeah, this is definitely wobblier than the other side. Wow. Oh yeah.
Oh, that was amazing.
What more do you want than a wobbly walk around the roller coaster? Whoa. Oh look, there's a plane. It's the only time you can actually see avalanche as well. Actually get a proper good idea of the layout of it. Like to space it and squeeze it. Watch me being careful.
It does actually. It looks like a snake. Well, it's avalanche because it's
My goodness, it is wobbly up here. Tell you what, it is getting wobbly. It's really wobbly. Can we see as well? Can we see?
view, the big one as well.
Lovely wobbly view of everything. You okay? It's power. No, it's okay. I'm not filming you, but it's okay. I'm just getting, because you can't normally film it, can't you? You can't get anywhere near it with your camera. You get a camera near the rad. It's like behind me on the line. And what on earth are you doing with a camera near a rad? Quite rightly. What am I doing? I'm getting these shots which nobody ever gets. Nobody gets these shots. So when it goes in the archive, because who knows how much life's left in Revolution. Int. Yeah? Might be choking on something there. Who knows how long is left of it, yeah? Int.
Carefully.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
No bother.
Who would refurbish this? Would it be the Cobra?
I don't think anybody would do, to be honest.
Or a Shonky Arrow?
I think it'll get replaced with, if you're going to replace it, with Premier Rads.
With?
Do you know like what we got at Bush Gardens?
Which one?
That Target, is it Targarus?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's similar type of footprint.
Yeah.
But they definitely go for lap bars.
I know we're all talking about
Well, it is wobbly. Whoa. How much is it? It's when you're filming, you realise. goodness, that is so wobbly. You got to think it's the oldest steel roller coaster, steel loop roller coaster in the UK.
In the UK, yeah, it's
Yeah.
the oldest steel roller coaster in the UK.
Yeah.
Not just the loop, but the oldest steel coaster in the UK.
So it must be getting near to the end of its life. Let's have a look how much metal's left on this round bar. Let's see how flat it is. Int against the wheels.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that tells you how much life is left on it. Okay. int, where to look at. Oh my god. Just got to lean against it while I get a photograph. Filming. Oh, that. I'm going to stop anyway. Take some photos.
I don't know if you know Matt, he's the Merlin Annual Passport Bear with his own face.
No problem. We can beat down that a little bit more. Get some different shots. You're doing green.
Yeah, no, the screen's a bit nice.
Oh, there, I was going to say, what are you filming green for?
Doesn't help you on a beach sandblast.
Oh, it's windy. Squeeze past. It's okay, I'm just trying to squeeze past. Bit gusty. Because that bit is a very big drop, is that bit?
We don't need to be near the big
That is.
a long way down.
People will be shocked by that when they see that on the channel.
That is really